Hey there, young explorers. Welcome back to Curious Capsules. Today we're blasting off to Mars. Get ready to discover the top 10 mind-blowing facts about Mars. So buckle up, space cadets, as we embark on an epic journey to uncover the secrets of this enigmatic world. Our first stop on this Martian adventure takes us high above the surface to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. This colossal giant is a true wonder of the Martian landscape. Imagine a volcano so massive it makes Mount Everest look like a tiny hill. It's a sight that truly boggles the mind. Olympus Mons stretches 13.6 miles high, 3 times taller than Mount Everest, and sprawls across an area the size of Arizona. Its sheer size is almost incomprehensible. Earth's volcanoes shift due to plate tectonics, but Mars doesn't have those same movements. This lack of tectonic activity allows Martian volcanoes to grow to enormous sizes. This means Martian volcanoes like Olympus Mons could erupt for millions, even billions of years, building up layer upon layer of lava. Each eruption adds to its towering height. So next time you see a picture of Olympus Mons, remember, you're looking at a volcano that dwarfs anything on our planet. It's a testament to the incredible forces at work on Mars. From the towering heights of Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, we journey to another Martian marvel, a canyon so grand and vast, it makes the Grand Canyon on Earth look like a mere ditch in comparison. Welcome to Valles Marineris, the largest and most awe-inspiring canyon in the entire solar system. Stretching over an incredible 2,500 miles long and reaching staggering depths of up to 5 miles. Billions of years ago, as the Martian crust stretched and cracked under immense pressure, magma likely rose from the planet's depths, creating vast volcanic plains. These powerful eruptions, combined with the planet's gradual cooling and contracting, caused the crust to fracture dramatically, forming the immense canyon we see today. So, as we gaze into the seemingly endless depths of Valles Marineris, we're witnessing the dramatic geological events that have shaped the surface of Mars over billions of years, telling a story of a planet's turbulent past. Mars has 2 companions in its journey around the sun, Phobos and Deimos. These aren't your typical moons. They resemble lumpy potatoes, suggesting they might be captured asteroids. Phobos, the larger of the 2, is on a collision course with Mars. Scientists estimate that in about 50 million years, Phobos will either crash into Mars or be torn apart by tidal forces, forming a ring of debris. Deimos, on the other hand, is slowly drifting away from Mars, eventually escaping the planet's gravitational pull. Phobos and Deimos remind us that even in the vastness of space, change is constant. Hold on to your hats, explorers, because on Mars, the winds can whip up dust storms so colossal, they make Earth's dust bowls look like a gentle breeze. Imagine a planet-sized dust cloud, swirling and churning, engulfing everything in its path. During Martian summers, the sun's heat can vaporize some of the polar ice caps, releasing water vapor into the atmosphere. This water vapor, combined with the dust particles already present in the thin air, creates the perfect recipe for a dust storm. The dust absorbs sunlight, warming the surrounding air and causing it to rise. From space, these dust storms appear as swirling patterns of red and orange, transforming Mars into a raging tempest. It might seem like a dry, dusty world, but Mars harbors a secret beneath its surface, water ice. At the Martian poles, we find ice caps, just like on Earth. But these aren't your typical ice caps made entirely of frozen water. They're a mixture of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide. Scientists believe that vast reserves of water ice are locked away beneath the Martian soil, remnants of a time when liquid water flowed freely on the planet. These subsurface reservoirs hold clues to Mars's watery past and its potential for harboring life. The discovery of water ice on Mars has revolutionized our understanding of the red planet. Just like Earth, Mars experiences 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. But there's a catch. Martian seasons are twice as long. Mars takes 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. These extended seasons have a dramatic effect on the Martian landscape. During the Martian summer, the polar ice caps shrink as the frozen carbon dioxide sublimates, returning to the atmosphere as gas. In Martian winter, the opposite occurs. Temperatures plummet, and the polar ice caps grow as carbon dioxide freezes out of the atmosphere. Imagine experiencing seasons that last twice as long. It's just another reminder of how different and fascinating our planetary neighbor truly is. We've already explored Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. But did you know it also holds the record for the tallest mountain? Rising 16 miles above the surrounding plains, Olympus Mons towers over the Martian landscape. Unlike the jagged peaks of many earthly mountains, Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, formed by lava flows that spread out over vast distances. These lava flows, over billions of years, created a broad, gently sloping mountain with a base so wide it would cover most of France. Olympus Mons is a testament to the power of volcanism and the incredible geological processes that have shaped Mars. Today, Mars might seem like a dry, dusty world, but scattered across its surface are tantalizing clues that hint at a much wetter past. Ancient riverbeds, lake basins, and even evidence of a vast ocean paint a picture of a Mars that was once very different. Billions of years ago, rivers flowed across the Martian surface, carving out valleys and canyons. Lakes filled impact craters, their shores teeming with life. And in the northern hemisphere, a vast ocean, perhaps miles deep, stretched across the lowlands. These features tell a story of a Mars that was once warm and wet, a stark contrast to the cold, dry world we know today. On Earth, we take our atmosphere for granted. But on Mars, the atmosphere is a thin, wispy thing, barely there at all. The Martian atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's composed mainly of carbon dioxide. This thin atmosphere has some dramatic consequences for Mars. For starters, it means that liquid water can't exist on the surface for very long. The thin atmosphere also means that Mars experiences extreme temperature swings. So, while Mars's atmosphere might be thin, it plays a crucial role in shaping the planet's climate and its potential for habitability. Of all the planets in our solar system, Mars holds a special place in our explorations. Its mysterious red surface has captivated scientists and enthusiasts alike for decades. It's the most explored planet beyond Earth, with dozens of missions sent to uncover its secrets. Each mission has brought us closer to understanding this enigmatic world. From the early days of flybys and orbiters to the recent rovers traversing its surface, our understanding of Mars has grown by leaps and bounds. These missions have provided invaluable data, transforming our knowledge of the red planet. We've sent robotic explorers like Curiosity, Opportunity, and Perseverance to roam the Martian surface, analyzing rocks, drilling into the soil, and searching for signs of past or present life. These rovers have become our eyes and hands on Mars, conducting experiments and sending back detailed images. Orbiting high above, spacecraft like Mars Odyssey and Maven have studied the planet's atmosphere, mapping its composition and unraveling the mysteries of its climate. These orbiters have provided a broader perspective, complementing the data gathered by the rovers on the ground. With plans for future missions, including the possibility of sending humans to Mars, our exploration of the red planet is far from over. The dream of setting foot on Mars drives our scientific endeavors, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. Wow, Mars is truly a captivating world with its giant volcanoes, vast canyons, and hints of ancient water. Thanks for joining us on this Martian adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Curious Capsules for more fascinating space explorations. Until next time, explorers.